Have you ever gazed up at the night sky and wondered what's next for us? Not just in the next few years, but in the next grand chapter of human history? Well, today, we're not just wondering. We are going. Welcome to what might be the most ambitious journey we've ever embarked on. A hyper-realistic, AI-driven exploration of humanity's future on Mars. Forget everything you think you know from science fiction. This isn't about distant fantasies. It's about the tangible, breathtaking reality of becoming a multi-planetary species. We're about to step into a world meticulously crafted from real scientific data and cutting-edge engineering principles, all brought to life through the power of advanced artificial intelligence. This is our blueprint for the Red Planet. So, buckle up, because we are charting humanity's next great frontier. This is Mars, as you've never seen it before. Our journey begins with the descent. Imagine piercing through that thin, pinkish atmosphere, the vast, ochre desert of Mars stretching out to the horizon. This isn't just a desolate wasteland. It's a canvas of breathtaking beauty. The AI renders every detail with stunning precision, from the towering peak of Olympus Mons, a volcano 3 times the height of Mount Everest, to the sprawling canyon system of Valles Marineris, which would dwarf the Grand Canyon. We'll glide over rust-colored dunes sculpted by winds over millennia and witness the ethereal blue sunsets unique to the Martian sky. This is a world of stark contrasts, where alien landscapes meet the familiar laws of physics. Our AI guide will simulate the rovers and drones of the future, mapping terrain, analyzing soil composition for precious water ice, and scouting for the perfect locations to build our first homes. You'll feel the hum of cutting-edge technology as it intertwines with the silent, majestic, and utterly alien environment. This is the raw, untamed Mars, the very first challenge our pioneers will face. It's a world that demands respect, resilience, and an insatiable curiosity. Now, let's move from exploration to establishment. Where would we live? How would we survive? Our AI tour takes us inside the first Martian habitats, marvels of engineering and human ingenuity. Forget flimsy tents. We're talking about subterranean lava tubes, naturally shielded from cosmic radiation, expanded and reinforced to house bustling communities. We'll explore 3D printed structures, built layer by layer using Martian regolith, the very soil beneath our feet. Inside, you won't find a cramped, sterile environment. You'll see sprawling greenhouses, where advanced hydroponics and aeroponics systems grow fresh food under arrays of LED lights, turning the red dust green. You'll see the water reclamation plants, recycling every precious drop, and the solar farms stretching across the plains, capturing the faint sunlight to power our new world. The AI will walk us through the life support systems, the intricate web of pipes and processors providing breathable air and stable pressure. It's a closed-loop ecosystem, a delicate dance of technology and biology designed for self-sufficiency. This isn't just about survival. It's about creating a place that feels like home, millions of miles away from Earth. But a civilization is more than just shelters and systems. It's about people, community, and purpose. As our settlement grows, so does its complexity. Our AI simulation projects the evolution of our Martian colony from a small scientific outpost into a thriving city. We'll see the construction of dedicated research labs where scientists unlock the secrets of Mars, from its past climate to its potential for life. We'll visit the workshops and manufacturing plants where robots and humans work side by side, fabricating tools, spare parts, and even new buildings. The infrastructure expands. We'll witness the laying of transport tubes, pressurized maglev systems connecting distant habitats and mining operations, creating a true Martian network. Imagine traveling from your home in the Elysium Planitia settlement to your work at a resource extraction site near the polar ice caps in under an hour. We'll explore the social hubs, the communal areas where colonists gather, share stories, and build the culture of a new society. It's a testament to our ability to not just adapt, but to innovate and build a future piece by piece. Living on Mars presents challenges unlike any we've ever faced. The thin atmosphere, the intense radiation, the psychological strain of isolation. These are hurdles that require incredible strength and resilience. Our AI tour doesn't shy away from these difficulties. It will simulate dust storms that can blot out the sun for weeks, equipment malfunctions that require daring solutions, and the profound emotional weight of being so far from home. ULLC, the medical bays designed to handle health issues unique to a low-gravity environment, and the mental health professionals who are a cornerstone of the community's well-being. But with every challenge comes a triumph. We will witness the joy of the first child born on Mars, a true Martian native. We will feel the collective pride as the colony achieves complete self-sufficiency, no longer dependent on supply missions from Earth. These are the moments that define the human spirit, our capacity for perseverance, our drive to overcome the impossible. It's in these struggles and victories that the alien landscape of Mars becomes intimately human. As we look further into the future, the AI projects an even bolder vision. Terraforming, the grand, multi-generational project of transforming Mars into a second Earth. Our simulation will accelerate time, showing you the first stages of this monumental undertaking. We'll see atmospheric processors being built, factories designed to release greenhouse gases and thicken the atmosphere. We'll watch as comets are carefully redirected to impact the planet, releasing water and other vital volatiles. Slowly, painstakingly, the pressure rises. The temperature creeps above freezing. The first hardy, genetically engineered lichens and mosses begin to take root in the Martian soil, starting the long process of creating a breathable atmosphere. We will see the first liquid water flowing on the surface in billions of years, carving new rivers into the ancient channels. This is the ultimate dream, to stand on a Martian hilltop without a helmet, breathing the air of a new world we created. It's a legacy not for us, but for countless generations to come. So, what have we seen on this journey? We've walked the red deserts, delved into the heart of our first settlements, and witnessed the birth of a new civilization. We've seen how cutting-edge technology, from AI to 3D printing, can help us conquer an alien world. But more than that, we've seen a reflection of ourselves. Our journey to Mars is not just about escaping Earth or planting a flag. It's about carrying the best of humanity forward, our curiosity, our creativity, our resilience, and our unyielding hope for a better future. It's a story that blends the vast, alien scale of the cosmos with the intimate, personal struggles and triumphs of human life. It's a reminder that no matter how far we travel, we carry our humanity with us. The Red Planet isn't just a destination, it's a new beginning. Thank you so much for joining me on this incredible tour of our future on Mars. It's a vision that fills me with so much excitement and hope for what we can achieve. What part of this Martian future excites you the most? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this journey and want to explore more incredible visions of the future, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the future.